I've been in real estate since 1998. I love what I'm doing. Ever since I started, I couldn't think of anything else I want to do. I feel I have the same energy as when I started.
Very enthusiastic and really loved our home like we did. So, it was wonderful when he came through. He was excited about our house and selling it for us.
So I met Peter when I bought my first property, and he was just a wonderful real estate agent to deal with. He was friendly, very helpful, extremely available, and he just couldn't do enough for us.
Communication is it's critical throughout the marketing period. From start to finish, the most important thing for me is that the clients know at any given time what's going on.
Peter, so good at getting back to us. His follow-up and his feedback was incredible. We worked together and the house sold very quickly above our asking price.
I've worked in Mayland since 1998 and I've seen the changes since then, and certainly with all the new cafes, restaurants, shops, you see a big diversification of people, cultures. You can choose different food, what cafe you want to go to, choose your coffee. We couldn't do that years ago, so it's a great place.
Just the whole experience, it's very professional.
And we knew we could trust him. We felt he was a very genuine person and a people's person.
What I love with the job is you deal with people every day. Not one day is the same as the other. I love I can have a big impact in people's life in a very short period of time. My role as an agent is to work as hard as I can to obtain that premium price for my seller and to get their desired outcome.